Hello, I'm Tim Barshinger, and I wanted to take a minute to welcome all of you to English 207, Introduction to Literature. I wanted to take a few moments to just remind all of you that you are taking a 4-week literature course. So everything that typically occurs in a full-term course will occur in the span of 4 weeks. Thus, you'll have to make sure that you are working a little bit every day on your assignments, staying up to date, because you have a lot of things that will happen in the course of 4 weeks. Ultimately, the goal is for you to engage with literature, gain a better understanding of what literature is, and come out of this with a better understanding of why literature is valued to all of us. Throughout the course of this first week, you're going to be looking at completing some discussion posts about the readings you've done, to complete some study guide questions about the different readings that you will complete in poetry, and then to write a literary analysis essay in regards to one of the poems that you've read in the course. So I want to again welcome all of you to class, and I want to remind you that there's going to be a lot of work to be done, but I'm excited to undergo this process with you. As always, if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. My phone number and email are in the syllabus, and with that in mind, I look forward to working with you, and I say again, welcome to class. Let's have a great class. Take care. Bye now.